Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to go over unit number 3.9, and we will need a 10 frame that looks just like that. We'll need 3.9, which just looks like this. 3.9 and another one for 3.9. So we have 3 total for 3.9. We have a blank 10 frame. And I included the math talk number 12. You don't need to have it. If you have it, great. If you don't, it's going to be on YouTube. So it's okay. All right. All right, here we go. So our unit standard is listed right up here. So counting cardinality, it's 1 through 5, and operational algebraic thinking, number 1. Our objective for today is I can state number 1 all the way to number 10. Can you guys do it by now? I think so. We're going to practice and make sure we can do it today. All right. So we want to be able to count all the way to number 10. Okay. So we're going to do that together. And we're going to use our train to help us go forwards and backwards. Okay. All right. So here we go. Also, last but not least, vocabulary. We are going to talk about order. Everyone say order. What does order mean? Like, I'm going to order some food, right? Kind of like that, like lunch orders. Yeah, we have to do an order, kind of like that, right? But with numbers, it's a little different, and we're going to talk about that in just a few moments. Okay, so let's begin with our math talk number 12. All right, we should all know how to count all the way to 10, but if we don't know, we are going to do it today together, okay? We have a choo-choo train. Everyone say choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo. Good. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All aboard the choo-choo train. Here we go. Chicka, 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 choo-choo. Good job. Now, we're going to count them in order, but we're going to do it backwards. Okay? Backwards. Everyone say back, back, back. Good. We're going to do choo-choo train going backwards. All right, but we're going to stay in order. In order means we're not going to jump around from number to number. We're going to go 10 all the way to the number 1. Okay, we're going to go backwards. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All aboard. Everyone say chicka, 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 choo-choo. Good job. We are all aboard the choo-choo train. Now, boys and girls, as we are going down the choo-choo train, we notice that all the numbers are going in order. In order means that we're not going 1, 7, 2, 4, and 10. We're counting in order, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're not getting out of order. We're going to make sure we're counting straight in order. So whenever you see number charts like this one that we have in our classroom usually, we always see the numbers are in order. They're never jumbled up or scrambled up, right? Like a pancake or anything like that, right? We scramble our pancakes and our eggs. We don't do that with numbers. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's count our number line on our chart. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now let's see if we can do it backwards on the number line. Here we go. Let's try it together. 10, good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it. Good job, boys and girls. Yes. And now we just counted forwards, and backwards, all on the number line. Good job. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use our Math Talk 12, or choo-choo train, to help us count and look at our classwork and make sure that we can do this together. Now, I want you guys to tell me by helping me before we get started with our classwork. We're going to do a couple on our own so we can see if we can do this together, okay? So if I write, let's say I have the number 5, okay? What's the next number? Good, 6, very good. So that would be number 6, very good. What if I had the number 9? Number 9. What would be the next number? What would be the next number? Good. 10 is a hero, a 1 and a 0. Good job. Circle and a 9. That makes number 9. Good. Very good, boys and girls. Okay. So when you guys are doing your classwork, we're focusing on the numbers 1 all the way to number 10. Okay. So when we're doing this one here, we have count and write the numeral or illustrate the set. Okay. So here we have, how many bugs in this jar right here? 1. But Misty, I don't know how to quite write the number 1. What can I do to help me write the number 1? Okay, good. Good. Someone said I can write like a stick. Good. What else? Good. I can use my choo-choo train. Awesome. Yay. Let's use our choo-choo train. I have 1 bug. So which one on the choo-choo train says number 1? Good. Right here, the very first number. So I know that this is what my number 1 looks like. So I'm going to write that number right under my bug that has only 1 inside of a jar because I know that there's only 1. I counted. How about you? Ready? Count with me. 1. Good job. So I'm going to go ahead and write a number 1. Make sure you guys stay on the black lines inside of the big black solid lines. Past the broken lines and all the way back to the next solid line. Okay, good job. Now, how many bugs are in my jar here? Ready? Count together. 1, 2. Good job. But Miss D, what if I don't know how to write the number 2? I forgot. Where can I look? Good. My choo-choo train. And the number 2 would be right next to the number 1. Good job. And I know that because they are in order. Good. I'm always going to see the numbers in order. Okay, so as I go down the line, they're all going to be in order. Meaning that the next number should be what? 1, 2, then good. 3. So I know that the next number will look like that because I'm going in order. So all of this is helping you understand that number 1 through 10 go in order. Okay? So for example, here we have number 5, magnifying glass. What's after 5? Let's look at 5. We circled it earlier because I wanted you guys to tell me what goes after 5. What goes after 5? Good, we said 6. So I know that 6 goes right here. Whoops. Number 6 goes right there because after 5 comes 6, then 7, then 8, then what comes after 8? Let's look on the choo-choo train. Good, 9. And then last but not least is our favorite number. 10 is a hero. A 1 and a 0. Good job, boys and girls. Make sure that when you guys are done, you guys illustrate inside of there the bugs to match the numbers. And you complete in order 1 through 10. Make sure you guys do your 10 frames in order, okay? In order. To help you guys with your 10 frames, I have given you a blank 10 frame. The blank 10 frame has nothing on it. So what I want you guys to do is practice by using your 10 frame. So how can we do that? All right, so let's do 1 in the first one. So here we go, in order. 1, what would the next one look like? 2, good. 3, good. What's the next one? Good. 4, what's the next one? Good. 5. What's the next one? 6. Good. What's the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. What's the next one? Good. 8. What's the next one? 9. Good job. What's the next one? 10. Good job. So here in my 10 frame, I did 1 all the way to number 10 in order, and I did dots to show my 10 frames. You guys can do numbers, you guys can do pictures, you guys can do circles, anything you want to help you. And when you are done, you will complete as well ordering numbers 0 through 10. Circle the match. Circle the set that matches the numeral. So, for example, here, number 4, I circled how many circles? Good, 4, because I know that my box says I have number 4. All right, boys and girls, we are going to meet on Hangout. If you have any more questions, please let me know.